Assalamualaikum and hi everybody. My name is Muhammad Irfan, an engineering student in UITM Dengkil. I am from group E14 and today I would like to teach you guys on how to use Google Spreadsheet. But before that, I would like to read you guys a scenario. Here we go. This is the scenario. Ahmad is a 20 years old student in University Science Malaysia Langkawi who's continuing his degree in chemical engineering. Earlier this year, his family faced financial problem, so he decided to start a business on the 1st of May 2020 using his money that he has been saving all this time. He has been thinking about selling quality outfits and goods such as shirts, pants, and bags. At first, his targeted customer was the students in his university and in the Langkawi area. On the first month of his business, the profit that he gets doesn't achieve what he has targeted. So on the upcoming sale in June, he gets help from his family and friends so that they will promote his business, and luckily on that month the targeted profit has been achieved and his business has been continuing until August, and the profit that he gains was over what he has targeted. Because of this, the business is a bit chaotic because of lots of orders and lots of things he has to organize. In September, he asked his closest friends to join his business so that the business can be organized, and his friends agreed to that. He also looked into Google on how to organize business so it would not cause an unnecessary scenario, and he found out about a productivity software called Google Spreadsheets to organize his business, but he didn't. Alright guys, let's continue to Google Spreadsheet. In order to open the Google Spreadsheet, first we go to the Google Chrome, tap it, and then go to the top right of the tab and you'll see these many dots. It is called the Google Apps. Click on it, go down and you'll see this green icon called Sheets. Click on it. It will bring you to this tab. Here we will start our new sheet. In order to start it, we go and tap this blank small tab. Alright, this is an empty sheet. I will teach you on how to use the Google Spreadsheet. Alright, first we rename our sheet. Let's go with our store name. I will put PTR online shop. Enter. Alright, this will be our sheet's name. Alright, now I will teach you guys on how to make the shop name. Alright, go to the A1 box, click it, hold it, and drag it to the right until F. And after that, go to Format, go to Merge Cells, merge it horizontally. Alright, this blank box, you can put your shop name. Double click it. You can put it whether to the left side of the box, right side of the box, or at the center of the box. In order to do that, go to the horizontal line and choose whether to put it left, right, or at the center. I will choose center. I will make it bold. Font size, let's make it bigger so it will be different from other words. Enter. Double click it. Put your name shop. Caps lock BTR online shop. Alright. You can change the box color. In order to do that, go to fill color and choose whatever box you want. I will go with gray. Alright. You can also change the shop name color. Double click it, highlight it, and then you can go to the text color and choose whatever color you want. I will go with black. Alright. There, we have done our shop name. Alright, let's start doing the table. Alright. I will make the table 3 boxes under the shop name. So here, A5. Alright. Click on the A5, hold it, and drag it. I will drag it until I, and then drag it down until what number you want. Alright. Go to borders and all borders. Alright. Here you got your table. For the first line of the table, we will put many titles and we will put some colors in it so it will be a bit different from the other boxes. So in order to do that, hold at the A5 box, click it, hold it, and drag it to the right, and go to the fill color and put any color that you want. I will also go with the gray. I will also make the words in the box at the middle, at the center. So I will go to the horizontal line and click center. Let the font size be 10, and I will make it bold to make sure it is different from other words in the for the title in the table. Alright. Here we can make it caps lock, date, enter, time. Here we put item specification. Oops, it's a bit long, but don't worry, we'll adjust it later. Item price, discount, expenses, payment method, and payment received. Alright, here you see that the word is a bit long for the box. So in order to make the word fit in the box, so we go here, look at my cursor, we go at the first D box, and then click it and hold it, drag it to the right. It will make the box bigger. See, the same step for the other boxes. Make it a little bigger. Same as well as this one. Alright. Here you got the table. Alright guys, now I will teach you guys on how to save time from filling every word in these boxes. As you can see, this table has so many boxes. So I will start with the date. Alright, for the date, you can click on the first box under the date title, hold it and drag it down until the last box. Alright. After that, you go to the data, go to data validation, and for the criteria, you pick date, and for the right box of the criteria is valid date. Alright. Then click save. After you click it, then go to date, double click it, and then this will appear. It will help you to save time by just clicking on the date that you want. As for example, 10. Then the date will appear. Alright guys, now I will teach you guys on how to make a drop down list for the item specification, and payment method. Alright, in order to do that, first we have to open a second sheet by clicking the add sheet, and then a second sheet will appear. It will bring you to a blank sheet. So here you make a drop down list. Alright, and then you put the item that you want to sell. I will put hat, shirt, pants, and shoe. Alright, the hat, shirt, pants, and shoe. Alright, this will be the item that you want to sell. So in order to make this item appear at these boxes, first click on the box under the item title, click it, hold it and drag it down until the last box. Alright, go to data validation. Alright, for the criteria, choose list from a range, and then after that go to the second sheet. Alright, click at the right hand side of the criteria box, and then click on hat, hold it and drag it to the last item, and then click OK, and then click save. After you've done that, go to the first sheet and this little arrow will appear, and if you click on it, the item that you want to sell will appear here as a drop down list. Then you can pick whatever item that you want, such as hat. As for item specification and payment method, the steps are the same as the item. Alright guys, now I will help you guys on how to make the currency appear, such as Ringgit Malaysia, appear when you put any value under the item price box and expenses box. Alright, in order to do that, click on the box under the item price, click it and hold it, drag it down until the last box, go to format, and then go to number. After that, if you see here, the currency is in US dollar, so in order to change it, go to more formats, more currencies, and then you can type. If you want to use Ringgit Malaysia, then type RM, and then the Ringgit Malaysia will appear. Click on RM and then click apply. After that, after you've done that, just click on what value that you want to put, such as for example 30. Enter, and then the currency will appear automatically. Same goes for the expenses. Click, hold it and drag it down to the last box. Go to format, number, more format, currencies, and make sure apply. Then if you put the value, it will appear. For the discount, you must be wondering how to put the percentage, how to make the percentage appear automatically. And go to the box under the discount title, click it and hold it, drag it down until the last box. Go to format, also go to number and click on percent here. Click it. After you've done it, put the discount that you want to give, such as 10%, and see the discount, the percent will appear. If you don't want any decimal places, then you can just click it, hold it and drag it down until the last box. Alright, and you can decrease the decimal places by clicking this icon, decrease decimal places. Click it one time, click it again, and then there is no decimal places. Now I will teach you guys on how to make formula in spreadsheet. Alright, for the payment receipt formula, you can count your profit or your loss on the item that you've sold. In order to do that, double click it under the box of payment receipt title and type equal sign into the box, and you can start write down your equation. You don't have to type 30 times with minus with 30 times 10% minus with 10 ringgit. You can just click on the box and the box name will appear here like this. If you click on the box name under the payment receipt title will appear. So after that, you can count by putting minus and put a bracket, click on the box again, click on, then type down the asterisk sign. The asterisk sign is the multiple equation in spreadsheet. Then click on the discount box, and then close the bracket, and then minus with the expenses. Alright, here this will be the equation to count whether you got profit or you get lost from the item that you sold. Then click enter. Then the value of the profit or loss will appear here. So here you get a profit of RM 17 ringgit. So in order to continue to the other boxes, you can click here and drag it down until the last box. Yeah. Alright, this RM, the equation will apply to the other boxes under the payment receipt title. Now I will teach you guys on how to make the profit turn to green, the loss turn to red, and the zero will turn back to black. Alright, in order to do that, let's go to the payment receipt. This is where we count our profit and loss. The payment receipt and the total of the payment receipt, where we have calculated the total profit or loss that we've gained at the end of the month. Alright. highlight all the box under the payment receipt title and make it bold so it will be a bit different from the item price and the expenses. And then we go to format and go to conditional formatting. Alright, the range is what we have highlighted back then. And for the format rule, we will choose greater than. The value we will put 0, so it will be greater than 0. So the greater than 0 is the profit, so we put dark green one, sorry. I will put dark green one as for the profit, and the box color I will put it white, and done. So the profit that you get in that month will turn to green. As for the loss, the range is the same, and the format rule, we click on less than. The value is 0, and the text color will be dark red one. I will choose dark red one, and the box still white, and click done. And the loss that you get in that month on your sale will turn to red. For the 0 format rules, the range is the same, and the format rule is equal to, put the value 0, enter, and the text color, choose black, and the box color, we turn it to white, and click done. That is it. Alright, and here we get the profit and the loss. Turn to other color. If you want to share this sheet with your friends so that your friends can also edit this table, you can go to the top right of the sheet and click on the share button. After you click it, go to change and add this, anyone with the link, click the viewer and choose editor so that your friends can edit it, and then copy the link and you can share it with your friends so that your friends can edit the table. Click done. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. I wish that you guys love the content that I shared with you guys, and hope to see you guys again later. That's all. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye bye.